I'm Kesha and I'm here to teach you our choreography on the song Mirchi. If you haven't watched the video yet, the link is given above and also in the description box. So let's get started. Okay. So due to copyright purpose, we won't be able to play the song. If you want to compare our videos, you can go directly to the original video. The link of the original video is given above, as I said before. So let's get started. We'll start with our position 1 and jump. Right leg forward, left leg forward, right hand up, left hand up. So there are 3 beats. 3 beats are 1 and 2, then 2 beats, right, left. Again 5, 6, 7, go. Jump, right, left. Then your right hand will come to the face and you will hit behind with your pelvis part. So it is left side, right side, left side. You will hit 3 times, okay? So you finished over here, right, left, then your hand will come here. With that you will hit your pelvis to the left side first, that is left, right, left. Easy? Your left hand will be down, not here, it will be down. Again 5, 6, 7, go. 1, right, left, hit, and your left leg will be joined and your hand will turn around and then you go in. Okay, again 3 beats, 1, 2, 3, then 2 beats, 1, 2. Like you are pulling something and turning on. Okay, again from the start, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, right, left, hit, step, and then you tap your left leg, twist your left leg and look to your right hand and then flick. Okay, again there are 3 beats. You finished here, 1 and 2, tap. Easy? Again from the start, 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, step, 1 and 2, step, 1 and turn, hit. Next, again 3 times we have to do 3 steps, that is join your right leg and you place your hands to your knees. And then you take your right leg back and right hand up. Then up and drop. Easy? So we finished 1 and turn, flick, up and out, up, down. Again from the start, 5, 6, 7, go. Jump, right, left, step, hit, 1 and step, turn and flick, up, down and step down. Okay, then we have to tap your left leg and lift your right leg. While you are lifting your right leg, your left leg will be turning to your right side. That is tap, turn. We have to do the same step with your right side. Okay, so that is place your left leg, lift your right leg, again place your right leg, lift your left leg. Easy? So while lifting your leg, tap and turn. Easy? Tap and turn. When you are turning, your left hand will come to your waist. 1, 2, same to the other side, down, step and then forward. Easy? So that is 1 and 2 and a step. Then roll. You have to roll your left shoulder and you have to bend your left leg. That is roll. Then you take your right leg behind, open. When you are taking your right leg behind, your left leg will twist. Your hands will come out and your left leg is over there. And your hands will come to the face and you go in, out. Easy? So these steps will be a little bit fast. We did 1 slow, 2 slow and step. After this 4 steps are very fast. That is 1 and 2 and. So your hands will come down and you jump on your left leg and then hit. Your right leg will hit forward and your left hand will come above. Again, let's start from the start. 5, 6, 7, go. Jump, step, step. Right, left, hit, hit, hit. Right, and 1, turn, step, hit, up, down, and step, step, tap, twist, and roll. Roll, 1 and a 2 and jump, step. Easy, we finished over here. After that, your left hand will come to your waist and there is a footwork step. So we'll learn the footwork first, then I'll tell you the handwork. You will tap your right and turn to your left. Left leg, turn to your right. Right, turn to your left. Easy? So that is right leg, left leg, right leg. We'll do this 3 times. So we finished here. Your left hand is down, your right hand will go to your right side, left side, right side, and jump. Your hand will come forward and you jump on your left leg. Easy? We'll revise from the start again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, step, step, right, left, hit, step, and left, turn, switch, hit, up, down, and step, step, 1, twist, 2, twist, and roll. Roll, 1 and a 2 and a turn, step, right, left, right, jump. So we finished our step over here. We'll tap our right heel. First learn the footwork. Heel, place, heel. First right heel, again to the place, then left heel and come to forward. Okay, so your left hands are up. You go 1, 2, turn, drop to your knees and then up. You will just throw it and you will stand up. Easy? So we did is 1, 2, 3, jump, step, step, turn, down. There will be a lyrics called oh my god. When you do that, it will be just flick. Okay, that is up. Your left leg will come behind. 1 with your right hand will come up. Okay, so it is 1, 2 and jump. Again 5. You finished your kick, turn, drop, up, left leg, right leg, jump. Then you will twist your right leg inside with your hands inside, in, out. Hit and hands will come down. Left leg will come inside, 1 and 2. Right hand up, left hand up, and then you'll go down. Okay, it is a little bit fast. That is thug, 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 1 and drop. Okay, let's start from here again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, turn, drop, back. Okay, sorry, drop, up. Then you go back, back, step and twist, step, 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 and right, left, down. With that, you will be doing a floor step now. Your hands will be this way and you have to roll. See, first I'll teach you while standing. Your right leg will go roll inside, then your left leg will go roll inside. Same you have to do while sitting. When your leg will come outside, then you have to come up, 1, 2. Same with the other leg, 1, 2. Okay, we'll do it again. We finish thug, thug, down, and you go 1, 2, 3, 4, jump, and the other steps will start. Okay, let's revise from here again. 5, 6, 7, go, jump, step, step, turn, drop, up, back, back, and twist and step, 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 right, left, down, wait, and jump. Then you slide your right hand from your face, slide, Then you will twist your left leg, twist, twist. With that your hands will go twist, twist, turn, and you will turn your step, hands, and then you will lift with your fingers, lift. Okay, again, step, 1, 2, and so we twist our legs 3 times, left, right, left, left, right, left, right hand out, then you turn. While turning, your both leg will come on your toes and you will twist. Easy? That is left leg, right leg, left leg, and turn up. You will hit with your fingers up and you will come on your toes. Hit. Then you will go behind with your hands in and in. With your right leg first, right, left, point, and hide with your left hand. Then right leg will come inside. Again, right leg will come behind and you will go punch, punch, throw up with your right hand, and you finished over here. You just have to vibrate, like we just have to move little bit and fast. Step. Easy? Again, let's start from here. 5, 6, 7. Go step, twist, twist, and step, turn, hit, roll, roll, up, and right leg in, back, back, cross your left leg, then you go up, step. Then next step, we'll learn the footwork, left, right, left, and left leg. Easy? With that, you will punch to your right side first, punch and punch. Easy? Again, you will go to your left side first, left, right, right, left, and hit. With that, you will hit your neck also and hand also. Hit and open, open. Sorry, cross and step. Your hand will be this. So we finished 1 and open, step. Your leg will go right, left, right, left. With that, you just have to open your knees. That is right, left, right, left. You go 1, 2, jump. Okay, after this, we have to hit our pelvis down. That is hit. Okay, hit. While you hit your pelvis down, your hands will also come to your thighs. Okay, that is hit, down, look up, and look sun. Okay, we'll revise again. So we did is jump and then hit, drop, and side. Then you will slide on your right knee forward and your left leg will come forward, step, and then jump, and you will roll to your left side, right to left, roll, roll. Easy? So step is roll, roll. Your pelvis comes to right to left, from forward, roll, roll. Same step we are doing while facing to your right side, roll, roll. Easy? We'll revise it again from your 5, 6, 7. Go step, kick, kick, turn, drop, lift, back, back, and twist, and step, 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 right, left, down, the floor step, wave and jump, step, 1 and 2, side, turn, flick, back, back, point, and right leg, right, left, up, down. Then the next step, punch. 5, 6, 7, go left, right, right, left, hit and step, step, jump first. When you finish this, 1, 2, you have to jump, then hit, down, up, turn. First you have to look up, then drop, and then slide, come up and then twist, twist. After that, you'll jump again and your left hand will come behind. Jump, left, right and wave. Wave to your left side. Easy, we finished here. Roll, roll, jump, step, step, wave. Then your left hand will come here. Hit up, hit down. Then again, left, right, left, right. Easy. With that you will just go back and back. Your elbow will go back, back. So full step is 1, 2. Easy. Then place your right leg, wave, wave. Then one partner walk step will come. My partner is doing, I tell you what. We finished 1, 2, jump. My left partner is doing this, like we are holding someone's hand. Okay, she will do this and I am going to turn and hold her hand this way. Easy. If you are doing a duet video, you can add on this or you can add on your style also in that. Okay, so my left partner will be this way with her right hand and I will be doing this. So I'll hold her hand, then we'll switch our places. I'll go to my left side and she'll come over here. This side, right leg, jump, step, and there's one beat. Then you'll go jump, forward. Easy. She'll be doing the same part. Her part will be, she's this way, right, left, jump. Easy. So we finished here. 1, 2, step and turn. Now there will be a beats part. So first beat, second beat will be you have to place your right leg and your have to wave. Okay, that is 1. Easy. This is your second beat. Your first beat was 1, 2 and again you have to hit your pelvis to your right side, left side, right side. 3 times downwards, right, left, right. Then you take your right hand forward and go step. Sorry, take your right leg forward and you place behind. With that your right hand will be this way. Easy. Roll, step, your left hand will come forward, tap, 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 tap. You will tap 4 times. With that 2 times you have to just roll your right hand, roll, roll, and second 2 times will be this. You can add on your any step. Okay, so it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, after this your main song step will be 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to roll your pelvis to your left side. That is left, 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 left. You have to roll it continuously. So the first step will be to your left side. Roll, roll. Your hands will come here. Roll, roll. Fold your hands. Roll, roll. Again hit, roll, roll and roll, roll. So we are doing it 4 times. First to your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then after this you have to hit with your elbow and take a wave. First neck and step. Neck, then you have to just turn and take it down. Your right hand will come down and left hand will be this way. Then hit and then you hit your right leg with your left. It is turn, up, down, right, left. Then you will switch your right side and flick, flick. You have to flick it 2 times. Okay, 1, hit, hit, forward, and you shake with your, here you have to just shake your neck and your hands will come sideways. Take a step forward with your right leg, step, and your left hand will come to your waist and you hit with your right hand. With right leg, left leg. Easy? 1, 2. Easy? Okay, let's try. We'll revise it from here, or else we'll revise it later on. First do this. 5, 6, 7. Go. You finished. 1, 2, 3, and hit, turn, down, up, twist, and switch. Hit, right, left, down the floor step, slide, place, jump, and twist, right hand out, turn, flick, back, point, down, right, and back, up, pause. Then punch step, 5, 6, 7, go, punch, and a hit, and flick, and then you jump, hit down, floor step, look up, twist, slide, up, and a roll. Then this was the step, 5, 6, 7, go, 1 and 2, wave, hit and step, jump, wave, partner step, she'll do that. I'll beat this, 1 and turn, beat, hit, and a beat, and roll, step, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and twist, hit, 1 and step, right, left, turn, flick, look, slide, step, twist. After that, last 2 steps, right, left, jump. We'll go 2 steps to your left side, right, left, jump and hold, kick, left, right. Your right hand will come here, and then last step with your left hand, right hand, your hand will come behind and hit. So this is our last step. Okay, we'll do a quick revision from the start. Let's try. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, right, left, hit, and step. 1 and leg, twist, and flick, up, down, and sorry, it was up, down, and up, drop, left, twist, right, twist, hold, roll, then fast step, twist, and a in and a kick, hold, right, left, right, and kick, turn, drop, up, left, right, and switch. After this, you will take your hands down, heel, toe, heel, right, left, drop, swing, and a jump, and twist, hold, turn, flick, you go back, point, drop, and right, left, up, hold, punch, and a hit, step, cross, open, jump, hit, drop. You have to sit down here, drop, neck up and twist, slide forward, jump, and take a roll. Again there will be jump, left, right, wave, up, down, wave, then jump, left, right, partner step, 1, 2, step, and beat 1, beat 2, hit, beat, roll, step, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and boom, and step, hit, twist, and now right, left, turn, flick, go forward, and right, left, and step, hit, call, turn, hit. Okay, so we finished our choreography over here. If you're very confident about the step, you can take a video of yourself and tag us. We'll surely watch it and give us feedback. Okay, so